Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js TypeScript TypeORM. Today we are going to learn one-to-many relationships in the TypeORM. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Okay, so we have already discussed one-to-many relationships. Now we have the source entity with user and the post entities, right? Okay, so let's have the user. Okay, so here we have the user posts. So let me just add it. So this is the user one. Okay, so let's update the code for the entity user. So this is our user entity. Let's paste this. We require the post one, so let's create the post entity. So let's go and just create that one. Post.ts. Here you can see that. Just hide it. New entity post. Okay, one to many relationship over here. You can see post, right? Post, the post user establishes one-to-many relationships with the post entity, indicating that the user can have the multiple post entry. So this is the main line. Okay, correct. And always whenever we try to fetch this one, so it will give me the array of that one. Okay, so this is that possibility. Okay, now we are going to create the post.ts file. So here we go with this one. So let's add this one. Okay, so here many to many user, user.post and the user define many to one relationship in the user entity. Defines the inverse one to many relationships, indicating that the each post belong to a single user. Okay, then we have to update our index.ts file and let's see how the data is added. Okay, so let's update this index.ts file. I think this is the error, but it's not. Just save it, go to the index.ts file and let's update this code with our new code. Just comment this, just add it over here and save this. Done. Let's delete everything from this table. Delete because they have the relationship, so make sure you have to delete first this, then profile. Okay, done. Let's run. And all done. Connected user with post saved Alice, right? So if I go and just check over here, refresh post, we have, let's check the how many posts we have. So we have a two posts. Okay, this is primary, right? And the user id, which user has created this. Okay, then we have the users. Let's see, user, you can see Alice. Okay, so whenever you try to fetch the users with the post, you can fetch, and the post with user you can also fetch. Okay, so this is how you can do that. I think we should go with the code also. So here you can see the reflect meta, create connection, user, post entity, we have import. Then the connection part here, first of all we have to create a new user with Alice and the save that user, wait connection, save the user. Okay, then we have to create the post instances and associate with them each other. Then no first post and post one dot user we have assigned, then post two we have to create, then assign that the user, and then save the post instances with this. Okay, and then log that users with the post saved. Okay, then close the connection. Nothing big on that. Okay, so this is how you can follow up the one to many and many to one relationships in TypeORM TypeScript Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. In the next video, that is many to many one. Okay, thank you so much.